The 3-day visit of Amit Shah to Chhattisgarh is the most crucial in the sense that this is likely to be the last internal high-level meeting before the announcement of Naxalism from Chhattisgarh. In fact, he arrived yesterday and immediately began a series of high-level meetings with senior officials. In fact, in this particular meeting that is taking place at Mayfair Resort here in New Raipur, the high-level officials from all of the LWE extremist states, affected states such as Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh are likely to take part. And in fact, this particular meeting has commenced from 11 this morning, and in fact, it will go on till 5. Meanwhile, he'll also take part in National Conclave, which is organized by the state government on completion of 25 years of the state Chhattisgarh. In this meeting, it is highly important that the details will not be divulged because it is a highly confidential meeting, and most of the high-level officials have already arrived for this particular meeting, and it will be a decisive meeting when it comes to the announcement of Naxalism and how Bharat is moving towards Naxal-free Bharat. In fact, in this particular meeting, it will focus on the progress of ongoing counter-insurgency operations, the interstate coordination, the intelligence sharing mechanisms, and also the logistical support. The outcomes of the meeting are likely to shape the final phase of operations and how the operations will be taking over in the next few days. That is going to be very crucial, and it is going to be the focal point of this meeting. And tomorrow, he is most likely to go to Bastar to take part in the Bastar Pandum, the festival. And from there, he is also likely to make some speeches. In those speeches, he will also share the mechanism through which now, after becoming Naxal Mukt Bharat and also specifically Naxal Mukt Bastar, how development will be taking shape post the entire fiasco. This is Sumi Rajapan for India Today with video journalist Raghavendra Pandey from New Raipur.